Where are we?
I do not know.
What do you mean you do not know?
I mean, I do not know.
You were driving,
Yes.
and you do not know where we are.
The road looked different.
Different how?
Just different.
That is not helpful.
I know.
What does the map say?
I cannot read this map.
You cannot read a map.
It is very small.
Give it to me.
Here. I also cannot read this map.
See?
The writing is too small.
Yes.
What about your phone?
No signal.
None.
0.
Mine too.
We are lost.
We are a little lost.
A little lost is still lost.
We know roughly where we are.
Where?
Somewhere between the town and the lake.
That is a very big area.
I know.
How did this happen?
I turned left.
When you should have turned right.
Maybe.
Definitely.
Maybe definitely.
You missed the sign.
There was no sign.
There was a sign.
I did not see a sign.
It said turn right for lake.
I did not see it.
It was very clear.
I was watching the road.
You should watch the signs too.
I cannot watch the road and the signs.
Other people manage.
Good for other people.
What do we do now?
We keep driving.
In which direction?
Forward?
Forward.
Yes.
That is your plan.
That is my plan.
Forward?
Yes.
Just, forward.
Yes.
Okay. Forward.
Let us go.
Wait,
What?
which way is forward? That way.
Are you sure?
Yes,
You do not sound sure.
I am sure.
Okay. Let us go.
How long have we been walking?
Maybe 20 minutes.
It feels longer.
I know.
My feet hurt.
Mine too.
Why did we park so far back?
Because the car cannot drive on this path.
The path is fine.
The path has rocks.
Small rocks.
Big enough rocks.
Fine.
Are you hungry?
A little.
I have one snack bar.
One
Yes.
for both of us.
Yes.
That is not enough.
I know.
Why did you not pack food?
You said you would pack food.
I said I would think about packing food.
That is the same thing.
It is not the same thing.
Fine. Whose fault is this?
Not mine.
Whose fault is it then?
The sign's fault.
The sign.
Yes. It should have been bigger.
The sign was big.
It was not big enough, clearly. What?
You are blaming a sign.
It is a reasonable thing to blame.
It
Stop laughing.
is funny.
We are lost and hungry.
And it is a little funny.
Fine. A little funny.
Do you have any signal yet?
1 bar?
1 bar.
Yes,
Try the map.
it is loading.
Come on. Come on.
It is slow.
I know. Come on.
It is loading.
Come on.
I see something.
What?
A house?
Where?
There. Through the trees.
Oh, yes.
A person.
Is it a person?
I think so.
Let us go.
Wait,
What?
what if they do not speak English?
Then we use our hands.
Use our hands.
Point. Gesture.
Like this.
Exactly.
Okay, let us go. 1 bar of signal.
1 bar.
Yes,
Try the map.
it is loading.
Come on.
It is slow.
I know. Come on.
Still loading.
Come on.
Wait. I see something.
What?
Through the trees.
What is it?
Water.
Water.
Yes. Blue water.
The lake.
I think so.
Is it the lake?
It has to be.
Are you sure?
Look at it.
Oh, yes.
It is beautiful.
We found it.
We found it.
We were not that lost.
We were very lost.
We found it, though.
Yes. We found it.
How did you know to go this way?
I did not know.
You said forward.
And forward worked.
Ha 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 ha.
Sometimes simple plans work.
Sometimes.
Okay. Often.
Not often.
Fine. Today it worked.
Today it worked.
Are you still hungry?
Very hungry.
Me too.
We should have packed food.
We always say that.
And we never do it.
Next time.
Next time.
For real next time.
For real?
Deal?
Deal.
How far is the lake?
Maybe 10 minutes.
10 more minutes of walking.
Yes,
My feet,
I know.
they really hurt.
Almost there.
Fine. Let us go.
Come on.
I cannot believe we found it.
I can.
How?
Because we kept going.
Forward?
Forward.
Ha ha ha.
My plan worked.
Your plan was just one word.
One word was enough.
Ha ha ha.
Come on. The lake is waiting.
Let us go. Turn right, he said.
Turn right.
And here we are.
I can see the lake.
Me too.
It is beautiful.
Yes,
Worth getting lost.
I did not say that.
A little worth it.
Maybe a little.
The sandwich is good.
Very good.
I was so hungry.
Me too.
Why do we never bring food?
We always think we will eat there.
And then we get lost.
And eat shop sandwiches on a country road?
Ha 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 ha.
It is actually nice.
It is.
No traffic,
No noise.
just trees.
And us.
And us.
I like this.
Getting lost.
No. This.
Walking.
Being outside.
We should do this more.
Without the getting lost part.
Without that part. Yes.
Plan properly next time.
With a working map.
And food.
And food.
And signal.
That too.
Ha ha ha.
Look. The lake.
We made it.
We made it.
It is so beautiful.
It really is.
See? Worth it.
Maybe.
Definitely.
Fine. Definitely.
I am glad we came.
Even with everything.
Even with everything.
Next time. Let us just come by boat.
Ha 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 ha. Deal?
Deal. This is perfect.
Yes.
I could stay here all day.
Me too.
The water is so clear.
Yes.
Can you see the bottom?
Almost.
It is very clean.
Yes.
Are you glad we came?
Very glad.
Even with the getting lost.
Even with all of it.
And the walking.
The walking was nice, actually.
You said your feet hurt?
They did hurt.
And now?
Now they are in the water.
And they feel better.
Much better.
Ha ha ha.
What time is it?
Almost 4.
We should head back soon.
I know.
The car is far.
Yes.
And it will get dark.
Yes.
And we have no signal.
We have a little signal now.
How much?
2 bars?
2 bars.
Yes.
That is enough for the map.
Let me check.
How do we get back?
Turn left.
Turn left.
Yes.
Of course.
Ha ha ha.
What?
We turned the wrong way to get here.
Yes.
Now we turn the other way to get back.
Exactly.
I can do that.
I know you can.
I am good at turning.
You missed the sign.
That was one time.
It was today.
Fine. One time today.
Ha 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 ha.
Are you ready to go?
5 more minutes.
5 more minutes.
Yes.
Okay. 5 more minutes.
Thank you.
Then we go.
Then we go.
And no getting lost.
And no getting lost.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Yes.
Got it.
Good.
This was a good day.
Yes, it was.
Even with everything.
Because of everything.
Ha ha ha. Yes.
Because of everything.
Hey everyone watching.
Have you ever got lost somewhere?
Write in the comments in English.
Any answer is perfect.
If you liked this video, please like it.
Subscribe to Easy English Studio for new videos every week.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.